Good morning, children. I call you back once again to the unit of your practice book Tense, Part 1. We have started tense, we have understood what a tense is, how the verb forms go on in forming something, some action, at the same time, the time being used at the time of doing something. I hope that you must have understood up to the worksheets I have done. Now let us move to other worksheets. Two we have already completed. This is third one. What is here in worksheet number 3 you see? Refer to the tense chart and identify the errors in the following sentences. Underline the errors and rewrite the sentences using the correct forms of the verbs. The first one has been done for you. They are eat food. Here eat is wrong. They are eating food. It has already been done. Now next, the cat has entered the kitchen. The cat has entering the kitchen. This is question. And this entering is wrong here. You have to underline this entering and then you have to write the answer. The cat has entered the kitchen. Now third number, the teacher will be teaching the class at this time tomorrow. Here will be, this been is wrong. You have to underline it and then the sentence will become the teacher will be teaching the class at this time tomorrow. Now fourth number, the boys will finish the project by tomorrow morning. Now here you know it that with future tense markers shall will, third form of verb is not used. That's why if will is here then finished is wrong. You have to underline this finished and then the sentence will become the boys will finish the project by tomorrow morning. Now fifth number, he has going to the temple at this time. Going is wrong here because with has have this continuous tense cannot be used. That's why underline this going and then write he has gone to the temple at this time. Now sixth number, these days I are writing a book. You know it. I is followed by am, not are. It could have been if there had been two subjects. But here simple I has been used. That's why underline this are and write in place of it am. The sentence will become, these days I am writing a book. Now come to 7 number, I shall painted the window tomorrow. Painted is wrong here. I shall paint the window tomorrow. Underline painted and then change this painted with paint and then the sentence will become, I shall paint the window tomorrow. Now next number, he has studied for 2 hours. This sentence is correct. He has studied for 2 hours. That's why nothing is to be added here. Nothing is to be underlined. Now 9 number, how has he finished the work so soon? Now with has have you know third form of verb is used. That's why finish is wrong here. Underline this finish and then write the sentence, how has he finished the work so soon? Now next and last of this worksheet is, when will you bought this book? Again the same, that's with shall will, second or third form of verb cannot be used. That's why bought is wrong. You have to underline it and in place of it you have to write by, which is first form of verb by. So then the sentence will become, when will you buy this book? Now come to worksheet 4. Complete the following tense chart with appropriate forms of the verb give. Now tense chart is already given. Simple present, simple past, simple future. You have to write first. How you have to do? For a simple present, give gives, does give, does not give. For simple past, gave, did not give. For simple future, will give, shall give. Now for continuous tense, simple, present continuous, am giving, is giving, are giving. Past continuous, was giving, were giving. Future continuous, shall be giving, will be giving. Now perfect tense, here you have to look at perfect tense, present perfect, has given, have given, past perfect, had given, future perfect, will have given, shall have given. Now next is, this is another question. The owl has been clapping continuously since the race started. The elephant was drinking water when the tortoise finished the race. The sheep fell down so she couldn't complete the race. The rat kept jumping throughout the race. The tortoise will get an award. The lion will be distributing the awards in 10 minutes. The rabbit will not attend the award distribution ceremony. Now look at what you have to do here. You have to fill up the blanks here. You have to look at the words written in bold and then in which column it will be suitable. Accordingly, you have to write all of them. Now see, simple present is not here. Simple past you get here, started, then fell, kept. Simple, futures, simple future. Here you have to fill up, will get, will not attend. Now present continuous is again nothing. Here you have to let it stay as usual. And now in past continuous you have to write was drinking. Now future continuous will be distributing. In perfect again you don't find anything, so all of these three gaps, three blank places have to remain blank. This is how you have to answer these questions. I hope children you must have understood everything, and still if you have any problem then I am attaching PDF with these worksheets. They will be helpful to you. But again it is my suggestion to all of you that you must try to answer your questions yourself. If you get any problem, then you consult it, or after completion of your worksheets you can consult, or I should say you should match your answers with the answers given as PDF to you for your convenience. It's all right. Thank you. We will meet once again in our next video. Bye then. Bye. Thank you.